for Jharkhand polls focus on strategy. The Congress along with JMM held its first election committee meeting in Ranchi to strategize for the upcoming Jharkhand assembly elections. Led by Subodh Kant Sahai, the meeting concentrated on preparing candidates, leaving the issue of seat sharing to future discussions. Congress aims to enhance its electoral prospect by drafting a roadmap for all 81 constituencies. The party's campaign will focus on public welfare. This meeting marked an essential step in setting the party's groundwork for the election. BJP promises 2.87 lakh jobs in Jharkhand if elected. Shivraj Singh Chauhan pledged 2.87 lakh jobs for Jharkhand's youth during a rally in Leh-Thar as part of BJP's campaign strategy. He criticized the Hemant Soren government for failing to fulfill its job creation promises and blamed it for the frequent exam paper leaks. BJP plans to highlight these employment and welfare promises to secure votes and win the upcoming elections in Jharkhand. Nitish Kumar reviews smart meter project amid protests. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar held a meeting to address protests against the installation of smart meters in the state. The public expressed concerns about rising electricity costs, especially in rural areas. The Energy Department presented updates on the installation status. Despite the opposition, the government remains committed to implementing smart meters for long-term benefits. Nitish Kumar's administration is now focused on balancing technological progress with public acceptance. JP Nadda's Bihar visit sparks political speculation. BJP National President JP Nadda's scheduled visit to Bihar has sparked rumors about the potential ousting of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. Amid rising tensions between BJP and JDU, opposition leaders speculate that Nadda's visit may involve plotting to unseat Nitish. However, BJP officials have dismissed these claims, emphasizing that the visit is routine. The visit, occurring in an already politically charged atmosphere, raises questions about the state's future political dynamics. Prashant Kishore blames Bihar leaders for tarnishing state's image. Political strategist Prashant Kishore has criticized Bihar's leadership for its failure to maintain the state's reputation, citing corrupt governance as the cause of state's declining image. He expressed concerns over the mistreatment of Bihari youth in other states and blamed the Jangal Raj for their lack of opportunities. Kishore compared Bihar's past intellectual glory to its current mismanagement, which forces skilled laborers to migrate. His criticism highlights growing dissatisfaction with Bihari's leadership.